What's up, everyone? So today we are going to the Rain Room, LACMA, which is basically down the street from where I'm at. It is a really cool modern art museum. The Rain Room is an installation that was started, I believe, late 2015. It sold out immediately. It did so well that they actually went and started it over again. Managed to get them for today. What all this hoopla is about. It's a lot of fun. You walk through the room and it's raining, and wherever you are, it has sensors that stop the rain from actually hitting you. Let's see what this is like. So everyone always talks about the Broad Museum downtown. I actually prefer this place right here, LACMA, because it has multiple museums. It's got sort of like the prehistoric museum on one side, and there's a modern building, and I believe there's now a fashion museum as well. So all within like 2 blocks, you have way more to see. I think it's a little cooler of a place.
Papers.
What's the address on your membership?
It should be, yeah. Guillermo del Toro.